YouTube, what's going on? I've got something really awesome for you. We have the Launch Treadmaster. This is a digital tread depth gauge. And I've been really liking this. I've been using it for a couple weeks now on every single vehicle that comes through my shop. Yes, every single vehicle. I do digital vehicle inspections, and it automatically adds an inspection to every repair order that I open here at the shop. And this is what I've been using. I preach and teach documentation, CYA, and liability and how much liability we take on as shop owners. And so this is something that you can add to help cover you, as well as give you additional documentation for your clients, and also just makes you look that much more professional. It just adds that additional touch to your inspections, and you can share the reports to the client. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's pretty simple. You can do just one single measurement. You can do an inside, middle, and outside measurement. That's what I have it on. So we're going to select this, and then we're going to go on here. If I would do that right. And wherever the laser touches, it's going to measure. So you just have to make sure that you're not on any of your low spots, which is actually pretty easy. So once the laser comes on, you can adjust it and move it from that spot. And it starts from left front, left rear, then right front. So we'll go to left rear, and we'll measure this. And I'll show you here. We'll try to get it on camera if we can. I'll go in one of those low spots, and let's see, try it again. I want to intentionally mess this up. Okay, here we go. So if you can see here, maybe we'll try to get that. There we go. Now you'll see that one measurement says 330 seconds because it was measuring the low spot in the tire. So I did that on purpose because I wanted to show you all that it does make a difference where the laser hits. So just make sure it's not on any low spots and you're good to go. Then now we're gonna go right rear, and all you do is if you hit one of those low spots and get a weird measurement, you just go back and touch the tire that you want to remeasure and then push the button again, and it's super quick and easy. So it's not like this is time consuming. Before I was using this, I was just taking a manual tread depth gauge and just taking a picture of each wheel. This just makes the process for me so much better. And again, it just gives that additional documentation for the client with pictures. And then once you're done, you can see if I can do this and talk at the same time with y'all. Once you're done, it gives you a report, and you can take that report, and at the very bottom, it gives you an option to share and upload. And then it gives you your order number. You click OK, and then you get a QR code. You can take that QR code, use your phone, go directly to that. It gives you that report right on your phone. Then you can share it from your phone. You can email it, text it, however you want to share it. I have just been taking pictures with my phone during my digital vehicle inspections because I've already got that out. That's what I do my digital vehicle inspections on. And then I just screenshot the screen on the Treadmaster. So it makes it easier for me, much quicker. And again, it just adds that layer of documentation. So I'm going to go into depth. I'm going to put the camera on this screen and kind of scroll through and show you how it works on the screen. It's a smaller screen, so it's tough to get on there quite right, but I'm going to do my best for y'all. This is the report on your phone, a little easier to record for y'all. And so you can put your license plate number in there if you want, miles or kilometers. And then here is the report on your phone. It gives you the same exact report, and you can go to share, and then it shares the link to your clipboard. So if you want to text it to the client, if you want to email it, if you want to add it to your vehicle inspection, you can add it to your digital vehicle inspection, however you want. Again, you don't have to share this at all. It just depends on the type of clients that you have and what information they do or don't want. What I do is I just take this portion of it and I screenshot it, or I take a picture of the actual Treadmaster screen and I share it on my digital vehicle inspection. So I don't use the reports as of now. Now, as I start selling more tires, that will probably be something I add into it for sure. But for now, taking a picture of this has been great, and I just add it directly to my tire portion of my digital vehicle inspections, and it works out great. It's been extremely fast. Really, the only learning curve I had was once I found out that the laser was hitting the low spots, which obviously makes sense. Wherever the laser hits is where it's going to measure. Once I figured out that, no problems at all. It's been smooth sailing. Once it beeps, you hold it there, and then once it stops beeping, then you can move it. If you move it while it's beeping, it gives you some funky measurements, so just keep that in mind. But one of the best things we can add at the end of this video is a discount code for y'all. It's going to be INRIGHT, so use code INRIGHT for 20% off your Treadmaster at launchusaonline.com, and I'm going to have that link as well as the code down in the description of the video. If you have any other questions, concerns, comments about the Treadmaster, please throw them down in the comments. If you like this type of content, please like, share, and comment on the video. It always helps out. I appreciate y'all as always, and we'll catch you on the next one.